Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover is so Dangerous, chapter 3. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Ocean Sea. I didn't expect it to be the fox mask she was wearing. Do you really like asking people smoke cigar? Grabbed suddenly by Oh Chancy. She is here tonight too. Yuners said to herself, what? Mr. O won't give it to me and he won't allow others to give it to me. Well, right now, she was suddenly puzzled why suddenly Miss O acting like this. By the way, Mr. O, are you jealous? Right now, she's trying to trick her. Although, Miss O, you cannot be tricked like this. Right now, Miss O said to her, you think too highly of yourself. Suddenly, she grabbed her hands to get it back, and Miss O released her. Right now, she dragged outside on the crowd. Well, of course, Miss O don't want commotion on the bar. That's why she's been out. Well, this is really crazy. Miss O said to herself, etc. But she was not speaking after that. Wang Yuners is trying to trick her. Right now, she moved closer to her. Stand on tiptoes, sister. Where it's smoke or people, as long as it's what I like. Right now, she's trying to provoke her, right? But Miss O'Shaughnessy, everyone will find a way to get it. Now, she was whispering on her ears, and O'Shaughnessy was looking at her. Probably, she really got tricked. But right now, Wang Yuner, Mr. O, since you are not straight, don't blame me for using a honey trap. So, this is a trap for her, and it really makes sense. Wang Yuner, she was really tricky person, also a decisive one. It was next day. According to the investigation results, there's no problem with her identity. Because of her beauty, she was spotted by a brokerage company, then entered the entertainment industry. She is actually Shanshan's cousins. Well, Ocean Sea. Right now, back then, was playing piano. They really know each other. But she really wanted to know what happened to her sister. And suddenly he died on the fire. Shashan is asking her back then, well, could it be that there be a best friends or lovers? Very nice to hear. Why have I never heard it before? Oh Chensi is asking Shashan. Well, it seems that of course you haven't heard it because this is a song I composed myself, written for my sister. She really wrote a song for Tuner before she died. Shanshan said to her, it's my cousin, so it really turns. But I consider her my sister. She had suffered a lot and my parents adopted her. Forget it, let's not mention this anymore. She is so well behaved and cute. Chancy, if you see her, you will be definitely like her. Shanshan said to her before. Chancy is not as straight, but back then, she's really looking forward to it, right? Or it's like she was holding her sister to Chancy before. But they're really same, they look really the same. On the other hand, remembering this, Chancy right now, it's a pity that the fire 3 years ago took Shanshan away. The accident on the time. Moreover, the elders of the European family were expressly forbidden to mention the fire. Why the case is being hidden, not forbidden by the elders. Remember that Oshi Group was looking for a spokesperson for its new product. We selected 3 candidates. Right now, Ochensi said. Oh, suddenly she became interested to her. If she is the one who selected. Wang Yuner didn't have enough coffee position and she didn't even fast. Does Mr. O want to appoint her by default? The secretary is asking her, but Ochensi. Ochensi said no need to make a default decision. But give her a chance. Okay, I will arrange for her to participate in the final spokesperson selection. So until now, she was looking at her profile. She looks really beautiful, and also, this is what Shanshan said, very well behaved and cute. Right now, she is questioning herself. Without any reservation, it's just a cunning little fox. Well, she was right. And right now, Chensi got interested in Wang Yuner's identity. Also, she was really beautiful. This time, the candidates are all top-notch, so even if you lose the elections, it's normal. Brother Wang, can you say something good? Oh, right now. I can really expect you to win the new product endorsements from Oshi Group. So this is it. But right now, looking at her, how is this impossible with my status as a celebrity? But now, I can come to participate in the spokesperson interview. Chensi handiwork. Brother Wang, don't worry about the endorsement, must be mine. Oh, this is it. Maybe she sees something. Well, who could it be? She's a really important person, that's why she really had fuss and suddenly stopped. Turns out, it was really a surprise encounter. She's seeing Oceansea with her secretary and going to elevator, same with her. So right now, she has an idea. She will be responsible for taking care of assistants away later. No problem, my greatest ability is my strength. An elevator doors closing. Suddenly, she got stopped it. Looking at her, Oceansea. Right now, she is not looking at the doors. Wang Yuner suddenly opening the door, sliding her hands so that she can enter the elevator together with her. Well, looking at it, Oceansea suddenly realized that the door is opening, and she was looking serious. Oh, looking at her, she looks really scary. Right now, Wang Yuner, she was smiling and greeting her. After all, what a coincidence. Looking at this little girl, she looks really a sly fox at this moment. It really makes sense. The manager is taking the secretary. No, who are you? Sooner, she entered the elevator. The secretary has been dragged out. After she entered, the door is now closing. Well, we can say she is really a little cunning fox, but it's really difficult to handle with. Right now, oh Chansey, why do you do such a dangerous thing? Right now, looking at her. Well, a little girl is really tricky. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.